After the age of 50, a persistent cough needs attention. Doctors worry about lung cancer because early stages can present with just a chronic cough before other symptoms appear. The woman notices her cough has lingered longer than expected, prompting her to seek medical advice. During her appointment, the doctor emphasizes the importance of investigating such symptoms further. The doctor explains the next steps, presenting charts that outline possible diagnoses. As she prepares for a chest scan, anxiety fills the air, but reassurance from the technician brings her some comfort.